Hello students, let us see one of the very important theorem, basic proportionality theorem. In short, we call it as BPT theorem. Another name of basic proportionality theorem is Thales theorem. Okay, remember both the names. So it is a name theorem, so you have to read the statement. You have to memorize the statement because question can be asked as state and prove basic proportionality theorem as a 5-mark question. Sometimes as a 2-mark question, state basic proportionality theorem. They expect you to write only the statement and the proof, everything you try to understand. Then only using this you can do the sums. Okay. Just first I'll explain to you what is this Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Then we look into the statement. Okay. See a rough diagram. See ABC is a triangle. If I draw a line parallel to BC. BC is the base. Okay, if I draw a line parallel to that, let it meet at say D and E. Then what the theorem says, these two are parallel. Okay, DE parallel to BC. Then what can you say? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, so this is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, now let us see how to prove this. Its proof is very simple one. First you take the small triangle and the big triangle. We have to prove that two triangles are similar. So to prove similar, there are different methods. So here very easily you can prove that two triangles are similar because of AA similarity. Please listen here, you know, if two lines are parallel and this is a transverse, you know that two angles are equal, corresponding angles, right? So here you can say this angle and this angle are equal. Same way, go to the other side, this angle and this angle are equal. So two angles equal. When two angles are equal, definitely the third angle also equal. Moreover, here angle A is common, right? So all the corresponding angles, three angles are equal. So you say A similarity, but you know A similarity and AA similarity both are same only. So you can say the two triangles are similar. Once you prove two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional, right? If I take the big triangle AB, for small triangle the corresponding side is AD. Now we take the other side, the big triangle, from the big triangle it is AC by AE, right? Numerator AB you split into two, AB you split into two, AD plus DB. By what? Denominator is AD. Equal to right side AC you split into two, AE plus EC. By what? AE. Now you know A plus B by C. You can split into two. How? A by C plus B by C. So same way here AD by AD. What is that? 1 plus DB. DB by AD. Right side AE by AE. It is 1 plus EC by AE. So both the sides cancel 1. So you take reciprocal now, you are getting AD by DB, right? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. If you take reciprocal, you will get it. That's all, very simple proof, right? But for the examination, you write all the steps. First, you write the statement. Let us see what's the statement. A straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle. First, we take a triangle ABC. A straight line L is drawn parallel to a side. Which side? BC. So, okay, BC and this are parallel. Intersecting the other two sides, I am taking that as say D and E. Divides the sides in the same ratio. Divides are in the same ratio. So, this is the diagram. Hope you understood. So, what is given here? In triangle ABC, D is a point on AB and E is a point on AC. Okay. So, construction. So draw a line L parallel to BC which meets AB and AC at D and E respectively. Now, to prove, what you are supposed to prove here? To prove, we have to prove AD by DB, right? AD by DB equal to, in the other side, AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay, now let us see how to prove this. You take that two triangles. So which two triangles you consider? Triangle ABC and triangle ADE. The big triangle ABC and the small triangle ADE. So what can you say? These two angles are equal. Angle D equal to angle B, but better you give a name. Angle D, you can write ADE. Angle ADE angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Angle ABC, corresponding angles are equal, right? Same way in the other side, these two angles are equal because L is parallel, right? AED, angle AED is equal to angle ACB. Angle ACB. Reason you can say, the reason is what? Corresponding angles. Even this itself enough. Two angles equal. AA similarity. You know, when two corresponding angles are equal, definitely the third angles will be equal because of angle sum property. Sum of the three angles is equal to what? 180 degree, right? But if you want, you can say that, mention that also. And this angle A is common for both, right? So you can say angle A is equal to angle A. You say it is common. So you can say by AA similarity or AAA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Now you can say the corresponding sides are proportional. For the big triangle, I am taking the left hand, that is AB. So AB by, for small triangle, the corresponding side is what? AD. So AB by AD. Now again another side, the right side, that is AC by AE. AC by AE. Now denominators you write as it is. First one denominator is AD, second one's denominator is AE. Numerator you split. See the diagram AB. AB means the full length. You can write it as AD plus DB. AD plus DB. Same way, the right side AC, you can write it as, AC can be written as sum of AE and EC. AE plus EC. Now you split into two, AD by AD plus DB by AD. Right side also you split into two, AE by AE plus EC by AE. You can cancel AD cancel, so you are getting 1 plus DB by AD. Here also AE cancel, so you are getting 1 plus EC by AE. Now both the sides you can cancel 1. So what you are getting now, DB by AD equal to EC by AE. Now taking reciprocals. So this is AE. Taking reciprocals, so you are getting AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what we have to prove. So hope you understood this one. So practice well. So you have to write and see. Minimum 2-3 times you practice. Okay.